Hi guys, and welcome again to Management with Merits. Manage to prosper. Guys, our channel targets our people to equip them with the managerial knowledge and skills in order to prosper and to achieve their goals in life. And we rely on English literature in management and leadership, and we convert it to Arabic language in a summarized and attractive manner. Today I'm going to introduce the first book that we're going to present in our channel, which is the Management book. Published in 2015, it's an American book by Coulter and Robbins. The idea of the book is quite simple, guys. The book defines management as what managers do. And this is an extremely practical definition. Then in talking about how to describe what managers do, the book gives us three different perspectives, which are the functions perspective, the roles perspective, and the skills perspective. Then the book focuses on the functions perspective, which is a widely known perspective in management. It simply says that management is a group of functions that all managers do, which are planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. All the contents of the book focus on this idea. As you can see here, guys, these are the parts and the chapters of the book. The book is divided into several parts, and every part contains several chapters. Every part focuses or talks about one managerial function. You have here, guys, part number 3 is planning, part 4 organizing, part 5 is leading, part 6 is controlling. So these are 4 parts that represent the managerial functions. There are 2 more parts, which are part 1 and 2. Well, these 2 parts affect and are affected by all managerial functions, and that's why they were not included in any of the managerial functions. Part 1 is Introduction to Management, and part 2 is Basics of Managing in Today's Workplace, which contains several topics, several chapters, such as social responsibility, ethics, the environment, globalization, whatever. So, this book, guys, will be taken in the months of September, October, and November of this year. Thank you so much, guys, for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notifications button. Go to our Facebook page and send to us by our official email, viewers@manwim.com, and visit our website, manwim.com. See you next Thursday. Thank you so much, and goodbye.